Hi guys, Margarita from Social In here. Today is Monday and we're starting a new week, so let's talk about new features of Facebook. New and exciting feature of Facebook is Facebook page transparency. Let's see what it means. If before we needed to come up with all sorts of solutions and techniques in order to see ads of our competitors, in order to see what they're up to, right now we just have one button that can do it all. We have new tab here, info and ads. You can have it from a desktop view or from your mobile as well, it doesn't matter. By clicking on info and ads, you will receive all the ads that this page is advertising. For this specific Domino's Pizza page, we don't have anything new. Let's see it for something else, for Oreo for example. Great thing is that if this page advertises for more than one country, you can see it all. Here you see for United States, Oreo page, all their advertising. Sponsored, you see it all, just like that. Amazing. You can see everything in just one click. That's just awesome. Same thing goes for Nike. Any page you want, you can now check what they're advertising. Like, you can see everything. That's amazing. Yeah, you can see all. Of course, this feature has its advantages and disadvantages. On one hand, we can see it all, we can see our competitors, we can see their ads, we can get all the info we need. On another hand, our competitors can see what we do as well. But this feature is still new, so let's give it time, let's try it out and let's see how it goes. If you like this video, click like, and if you have any more questions, you can comment below and follow my channel for more videos like this.